Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the damaged area so glue bonds well. Scrub gently, rinse, and dry. Once done, trim loose fibers and test fit a breathable backing patch under the tier, leaving about 1/8 to 1/4 inch overlap. Apply a thin line of synthetic fabric glue to the patch edge and press it onto the mesh from beneath. Make sure to remove bubbles. Clamp or weigh down for at least 30 minutes so the adhesive sets evenly and you get a seamless bond. Now reinforce the bond. Thread a needle with nylon or polyester and stitch through the patch edge using small, even whip or overcast stitches to distribute stress. Because stitches alone can fray, add a second thin glue layer over the seam to seal and add water resistance. Let it tack before smoothing. While curing, reshape the mesh gently with your fingers so the weave lies flat and maintains breathability. And make sure to avoid heat or submerging the shoe for at least 24 hours. Finish by trimming any excess patch and snipping stray threads, then lightly sand tiny glue bumps with a fine file to restore smoothness. Once cured, flex the shoe slowly to test the repair under gentle load. Make sure the stitch line holds and the mesh breathes. Wear them for short periods for the first 24 to 48 hours. If the seam lifts, reapply a small patch overlapping the original or switch to an iron-on repair pad rated for synthetics as a stronger secondary fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.